A bathroom makeover is a great idea. It enhances your life and increases your home's sellability and value. From finding just the right products and the right company, it's not such a simple task. There are flaky contractors, overwhelming showrooms, and making the right decision can take weeks, even months. But wouldn't it be nice if there were a place that made it easy? Luxury Kitchen Bath Express is your road to remodeling made simple. At Luxury Kitchen Bath Express, we're a one-stop shopping experience, so there's no running all over town to make your product selections. We're organized, well thought through in design to make your choices simple, pleasant, and professional. We've taken a process that's fraught with clutter and chaos, and we've developed systems for a smooth, stress-free experience. From in-house designs to 3D renders and virtual reality goggles, our design and remodeling experts will guide you through the remodeling process. A completely different approach to remodeling, with friendly, courteous professionals focused on giving you quality craftsmanship on time and on budget. We've completed over 1,000 kitchen and bathroom models, and we have the highest rates of 5-star reviews in the region. All of our projects are owner-managed, and you won't get that from larger companies. With over 75 years combined experience in the kitchen and bath industry, we're experienced enough to do it right, yet small enough to care. Our transparent pricing and line item quotes assures you of a fair price. Luxury Kitchen Bath Express. Remodeling made simple.